Hello everyone, and today we have a quick review of the Fabunor Paperfeel Screen Protector, specifically for the iPad 10th generation, which I'm currently holding in my hand right here. So this is the brand new iPad from 2022, and with that we have a variety of screen protectors coming out. So I thought in this video I would talk about this one specifically on Amazon and if you should go actually purchase it, because I think that's the most important point of this video and as a reviewer. So to start off, in the box it actually comes with two of them, not just one, which is great. So it comes with two of these in this packaging. And I already installed one on my iPad, but I have this other one right here. And it comes with an installation guide with stickers. Setup process was straightforward in my opinion. You basically place it, line it up, stick it to the bottom of your iPad using the stickers provided, and you peel both sides one at a time until it's fully installed. And because you can stick it to the side like this when actually installing it, you'll like use the stickers right here. It helps you line it up a lot better if you were just like doing it like all in one go. So that's the first thing. Installation, fairly straightforward in my opinion. And I guess the other thing I want to talk about is like, does it distort the quality of your display? And the brief answer to that is, I'd say like 99% of the display's clarity and sharpness and also like saturation and contrast levels are maintained. I'd say there's like a small hit to that, but it's very, very minor. And in my opinion, you can't really tell too much of a difference. But the one good thing is with the iPad Gen 10 is this does not have like that matte coating on it that the other iPads have. So you get a lot of reflections with the iPad Gen 10, but adding this, since it's matte, helps reduce overall reflections on here like drastically, like to the point where it removes almost all reflections. And I've noticed it also helps with viewing angles on the device. And the last thing I want to hit on this video is essentially, well, there is a nice cutout for the webcam right there, as you can see. Cutout's perfect. The last thing I want to hit on is just like, how's writing on the thing and how's actually like using your finger with it? Like when you're actually like navigating through the display, how does it feel? Does it like make it feel clunky? Does it make the screen feel like too paper-like? And I think it's the right balance between feeling like paper and feeling like glass. In my opinion, writing notes on here feels like legitimately writing on paper. And like when I say that, I mean that like wholeheartedly. When you're writing on here, like it's hard to tell the difference between writing on like an actual piece of paper, if I could turn my pen on, writing on an actual piece of paper like this, or writing on a tablet, and then comparing that to like writing on paper. It sounds the same, it feels the same, and I think that's what the point of this screen protector is. So does it accomplish its job? Yes. Would I recommend it? Yes. Go pick this up. I really like the screen protector. So that's gonna be it for this quick review of the, well, it comes in a 2-pack, but the Fabunor Paperfeel Screen Protector, and this one's compatible with the iPad Gen 10. So thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.